Hi, my name is Don Carmichael. I am the president of the Feed the Need program, and we are so excited and delighted to be working with Harrisburg Academy with your upcoming Feed the Need event at the end of February. Feed the Need is an extraordinary event and opportunity for your students to be part of another significant give back experience. I know that your students already are involved in give back opportunities within the community. And what Feed the Need is, it's an indoor 4-hour food packing event where your students will hand pack 10,000 meals that are distributed to both local families in Harrisburg as well as children and orphans in Haiti, in a third world country. The idea behind Feed the Need is that it is first and foremost a major fundraising event for your school. Secondarily, it's a give back project focused on helping other children and families who are less fortunate. And one of the things that's so nice about Feed the Need is that it helps our children understand how incredibly fortunate they are. So they walk through the process with a much greater amount of gratitude and appreciation for what they have, and hopefully a real heart and sensitivity towards those who have less. With Feed the Need, your students will be fundraising prior to the event. The idea with Feed the Need, the fundraising process is a lot like a big walkathon, but instead of walking around the track at the end of the campaign, they will actually be doing the meal packing party and packing the 10,000 meals. In terms of the fundraising process, I just wanted to encourage you as parents to just get with your students. The whole process will take an hour or less, and in that process, your family will be setting up your own personal fundraising web page and then texting that page to your friends and family anywhere in the country. Harrisburg Academy is not only the oldest school in the United States to conduct a Feed the Need event, you're also the first school in the state of Pennsylvania to be conducting this event. And I wanted to encourage you to let you know that a lot of smaller schools than yours that we've been working with around the U.S. and Canada have been raising literally hundreds of thousands of dollars on this single event. So Feed the Need, at its core, it's about giving back, it's about helping those who are less fortunate, and in the process, raising a lot of money through your friends and family network anywhere in the country. You'll notice other materials in terms of how to set up your website. There's also a tutorial video that you'll see that shows you how to set it up, but basically it takes about 3 minutes to set up your page. The idea is to text your page to friends and family that you have a relationship with anywhere in the country. People can give online instantly, or they can mail a check directly to your school. Either way is a very viable option for them giving. The reason they're giving is to support you and your family, even if they've never heard of the school. What you'll find is that if you're simply faithful in the process of asking people to consider sponsoring your family in the Feed the Need event to benefit your school, almost everybody you talk to will give. So thank you again. We are so honored to work with you, and we look forward just to a stellar event experience in late February, and may this find you and your family well. Thank you. Feed the Need is an extraordinary event that's focused on helping other people while in the process raising major dollars for your school. Here you'll notice set up in a gymnasium. All the kids are wearing hairnets, their hands are sanitized. The event is actually set up as an FDA approved food safety site, and in the process your students will be hand packing 10,000 meals. Of those meals, about 1,500 will stay in your local community, 8,500 will ship to Haiti, directly into a variety of different orphanages and small schools to meet extreme hunger needs of children that are in those areas. This is a young lady in Haiti who is enjoying some of our Feed the Need food. These are a couple of young boys in Haiti. You'll notice that the food doesn't look that appetizing, but it actually is very, very good tasting, and it's fully nutritionally balanced. This is the first Feed the Need event actually ever done. This was in a small town called Bend, Oregon. What you cannot see is it's actually snowing outside. One of the nice things about Feed the Need is it's completely weatherproof. There are 4 different sets of ingredients that your students will be hand packing into each bag that will then ultimately be heat sealed. This ingredient mix is a mixture that dietitians at General Mills put together for children with malnutrition. The red stuff at the bottom is dehydrated vegetables. The brown stuff is soy for protein. The yellow stuff in the next box is Vitamix, which is 19 vitamins and minerals. It's the most valuable part of the mixture. And the white stuff is rice, which gives carbohydrates and energy. Each one of those ingredients your students will scoop into the funnel you can see on the side. At the bottom of that funnel is a bag. One of the things that's really nice about Feed the Need is we partner your older students with younger students. Also, a lot of times out of town alumni or local dignitaries will come in for a set shift and actually hand pack food side by side with your children. It's a tremendous opportunity to demonstrate give back and to just really build connections with local media as well as community leaders. Different view down the table, but you'll see at the far end of the funnel, food will go through the funnel into that bag, then gets weighed, gets heat sealed, works itself down to the boxing station. We can involve little ones as young as 2 and 3 years old that typically will decorate the boxes. A little bit older than that will be part of our bag runners, and all the way up to elderly men and women who may be alumni or grandparents can participate as well. At the end of the day, we'll take a great group picture. Ultimately, your food that is shipping down to Haiti will ship back to our warehouse in North Carolina, where we will combine it with other Feed the Need pallets in a container and ultimately ship it down to Haiti and to very, very hungry children. So this is a tremendous event. Thank you for being part of this with your children. Remember, first and foremost, this is a major fundraising event for your school. Secondarily, it's a give back event. But how much better is it to involve your students in a process like this that is actually focused on helping other people in true need than the typical candy bar sales and bake sales? So thank you for engaging. I think you'll find this a very, very meaningful, heart-connecting event opportunity for your child.